Hello, my name is Mike, and I'm the programmer at Project All. Some of the software that I use is Dreamweaver, which is just a simple HTML PHP editor. I also use Flash to develop the game. You could technically use just about any PHP or HTML text editor, but Dreamweaver came with the suite we use, so I use that. I also use a tool called BearGrep. BearGrep is a regular expression search engine, and it allows me to search thousands of text files almost instantaneously to locate results, and it is an invaluable tool. My job really comes down to problem solving. Everything that I do is about solving a problem. It's about coming up with a solution to some scenario, some situation, whether or not it is playing a video, displaying a question, or displaying an answer to the user once they finish playing the game. There's problems, and I have to use software to solve those problems. It is very intellectually stimulating, and I enjoy that part of the job. Many of the features are interrelated, so it's a lot to keep track of. One of the neat things about the game is that it fits almost any display, and it scales itself based on how big your monitor is. Every single thing on the stage that you see inside the game has been programmed manually by me to scale and stretch to fit inside of the window. So literally every single thing that you see inside the game was put there by hand by me. Whether it's a question, a selection list, an email, no matter what. If it's a block of text, I put that text there. I populate it. I have to figure out how to do that. And those are some of the problems that I have to deal with. There is also the issue of the server-side response. Basically, anytime the game performs an action and communicates to the server to let it know that the user finished an action, the server has to figure out what to do next. That is a complex algorithm that uses the database to figure out where the person is in the game and where they need to be next. There is also the flash response. Every time the server says, hey, you need to be here at a particular point, Flash has to parse that response, figure out how to respond to it, and then actually respond to it. Whether you are looking at a voicemail or a text message or a priority list or a budget item, it has to be parsed and processed, and my code allows that to happen. Anytime someone finishes the game, they have access to a debrief page. This debrief page features summarized aggregate results so that the player can see how they did in comparison to the rest of the class. So basically, in this project, if you see something, whether it's on the website, the debrief page, the game, anywhere, if you see it, anything except the video, I put it there. And it's my code that is running behind it. Anytime someone needs to use the game, they come to me and ask for new user accounts. Anytime someone needs access to the debrief page, they need to come to me to get access to that. Anytime people want to add new content, they have to come to me so that we can go through this information processing process. And these are some of the things that I do on a daily basis.